60 word per minute English dictation. 5 second. Start. Para. Every day, many people need to buy and other wish to sell their goods whenever and wherever these people meet. There is a market, but it is not a marketplace in the usual sense. It may be round a stall in a shop or in a warehouse or factory. There are large and famous markets under one roof, such as the stock exchange and the various commodity markets, such as the cotton, wool, and tea exchange. But market need not be under one roof. A number of men connected by telephone or even walking in and out of banks and offices to deal with each other can be a market. One example of this is the money market, which does not exist in any one place but is simply a market arising from the demand for money. The markets that are familiar to most people are the retail markets, and they are made up of stalls either in a street market or in a marketplaces. These stalls are very much sought after, and one traders wait many days to get the stall they want, perhaps in favorable place. The local councils are often the owners of the stalls, and the granting of rights to street traders is serious matter of business. A trader who has a stall usually carries no large stocks but expects to clear his goods quickly. He is satisfied with small profits